Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. Do you get bored staying at home every day, doing nothing? Well, for this video, I'm gonna show you not one, but two fun home science experiments that you can do at home during MCO. For the first experiment, you need a candle, a lighter, and a cardboard. Firstly, light up the candle and tilt it enough to let the wax drip onto the cardboard. Then stick it onto the cardboard. Next, blow out the candle and quickly light it back without touching the candle. As you can see, the candle light up automatically like pure magic. For the second experiment, you need dishwashing liquid, a plate, a quarter cup of water, and black pepper. Firstly, pour the water into the plate. Then, sprinkle some black pepper onto the surface of the water. Then, carefully drip a bit of dishwashing liquid into the center of the plate. As you can see, the black pepper will move away from the dishwashing liquid. Don't forget, during a crisis like this, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face, and goodbye.